Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo and Stripe if it keeps showing you that an invalid key has been provided. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you've not already. So once you've done that, it's going to open up the main page. From there in the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From where we can get started. In the upper left corner, we're going to have the editor menu. From where we're going to have our configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to fix the Stripe error that you might be getting with Odoo. As you can see, somebody already asked the same question on the Odoo forums about the Stripe error. So basically they keep getting the invalid reply received from provider, missing reference, and invalid API key provided. So basically guys, as you can see, you can go ahead and follow this result somebody already posted about how to go ahead and fix it. So payment transaction reference is false none, and you want to check and update your Odoo or consult any developer for debugging. So make sure to update your modules, all that you're using, and applications on the website for sales. Make sure to update it to the latest version. If you keep still experiencing problems, you want to go to the official Odoo forums, posting your own problem, and somebody with more knowledge who is the developer is going to go and help you out, giving you hints on how to go and fix it and help you out, and this is your best chance. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.